Hey guys, it's Shelby. Welcome back. Today I'm going to be making a bird feeder out of a teacup and saucer, as well as a gold chain to attach it with and have it suspended from, and then a hot glue gun. I'm using hot glue instead of E6000 because I read it was better for this type of project, just as far as like safety of the birds type thing. I think there's like less chemicals or something in hot glue, or maybe just the way it dries into like the plastic stick is better for them. But I read that online, so that's what I'm going to be doing. Please don't forget to give this video a thumbs up if you enjoy it, and go ahead and hit subscribe if you want to see more DIY crafts, and we'll just get going. Okay, so I've never actually made one of these before, but it doesn't really seem too difficult. So what I'm going to do is just glue the teacup onto the saucer. And to do that, as I said, I'm using hot glue. I'm just going to put a really thick ring of hot glue onto my teacup. So I want to make sure it seals. And then just press it right in. Look at that, it worked. It's already perfect. This is actually basically what it's gonna be. So next I have to figure out how I want to attach the chain, and then I'm pretty much done. Like, it's a really fast, I think it's a really fast project. So here's my chain. And it's got these gripper links on the end. I actually took this off a purse that I bought because I didn't want it to be a big long purse, so I just took the chain off that. That's where I got it, if you're wondering. But I'll see if I can find something similar to link down below that's not from a purse. And basically what I'm gonna do is figure out how, yeah, that seems good, let's do that. I kind of want it to, actually it would make more sense if it made 3 points like that. Yeah, I'm going to attach this one a little bit farther up the chain just so it's a little more equal. That's more of an aesthetic thing than anything else. So turn my teacup over, line up my 3 chains just like that. Put the back over and yeah, that's gonna work. That's gonna work. So that's what I'm gonna do. I'm going to put a big thing of glue right in the center on the bottom. I'm going to put my 3 chains like this, just dead in the center of it, just to kind of lock it in, just like that. And now I can kind of play with the angle that I want for the chains. I'm actually going to put a little bit of glue on top, just to really seal it in there. And then I just want these to make 3 points across the plate. I'm just going to do that. Actually, we're going to be smart and unspin the chain prior to gluing it down, because this swivel right here is going to help me unspin it. That's what I'm going to do. Okay, forethought. Okay, great. Now I'm going to glue it down, now that it's unspun. Just a dot of glue. And put the chain right in it, and then seal it with a little thing of glue on top. Next one's gonna be right there. And the last one's gonna be right here. Oops, I didn't unswivel that, did I? I did not. Well, it is what it is. Okay, so that should be it for the glue. Gonna unplug my gun and then pop a little bit more on this hinge down here because I really need this to stay. So that's not like super cute on the bottom, but nobody's looking on the bottom, so it doesn't matter. Clean up my little glue strands. And I'm pretty sure that's, ow, I just burned myself. But I'm pretty sure that's what it's gonna be. So that's awesome. Super fast, way faster than I thought. So yeah, I think, yeah. So a little bird can kind of land here, here, and here. and it's not gonna move, and then the bird seed's gonna be inside. So that's it, really fast little craft. Even with all of the issues the chain gave me, it took less than probably 10 minutes, I'm not sure. But really fast. I'm gonna fill it up full of bird seed, and then I'll show some pictures of it just hanging in the garden. Hopefully I can catch a picture of a bird eating out of it, we'll see. But I hope you liked the video and the craft, and I hope to see you soon. Please like and subscribe. I'll link everything you need to make this down in the description along with my socials, and I'll see you soon. Bye.